Hi, it's Nikki and I am a homemaker. Thanks for stopping by my channel. And today we're going to continue the journey with healthier eating, heart health meals. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. It helps your girl out. So I've been talking about making salmon for a while now, and we've been wanting to grill it outside. And there's a huge difference on the flavor from when you are grilling it outside to doing it inside, and I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. I stuck to a dry rub instead of doing a marinade, but I will do a marinade next time. This is so delicious, heart healthy, and I can't wait to share this with you guys, so stick around. So this is our first time using a fresh salmon instead of it being frozen, so I was really excited. And it is a 2.5 pound salmon, and basically I am just going to rub some oil on there, and I'm using avocado oil, so I really want to make sure that the dry rub is going to stick on there. And of course, you know, I am going to stick to Mrs. Dash because it doesn't have salt in it and it really has a good flavor. I'm also going to be using lemon pepper and just sprinkle, and I'm going to be heavy on it. Now this salmon does have the skin on the bottom of it, so we weren't able to season the bottom of it, which I think if we did, it would have been even 2 times tastier. But don't get me wrong, this was very, very tasty. So I'm just gonna rub that in there, and I'm gonna pour it on there, and it's just heavy, just heavily poured on there. And we have the grill ready for us outside, and right now the oven is preheating as well at a 440 degree temperature. I chose 440 because my oven doesn't really heat well at 420. I don't know why. So anyways, my husband is squeezing some oh no, he is pouring sea salt on there, just a little bit of sea salt, and we're gonna squeeze half of a lemon all over the fish. So this is our first time making it, and we made quite a bit of mistakes. First of all, I should have had the foil paper laid on the cutting board already, so it would have been easier to transfer. And we didn't pour enough oil on there because you gotta remember, you're putting it in the grill and it's gonna get stuck to that foil paper. And I did put some non-stick on there, and I think a little bit of avocado oil, but it wasn't enough. So whenever we did grill, it did get a little stuck. It didn't ruin the fish though, but next time I will most definitely put more non-stick or avocado oil, whatever it is I'm using. I'm gonna oil up that foil paper even better, so you might want to make sure that you're doing that as well. I am definitely learning from this first time experience, so next time I'm going to be changing a few things around, and I know it's going to be an even easier experience because this is such an easy recipe to do anyways. I didn't get to record a lot of the grilling process, but I will tell you that we should have did things a little different because it was hard to flip the fish when it was time to, but we did about 9 minutes on each side, 9 to 10 minutes. It was supposed to be about 7 minutes, but I don't know, we did 9 to 10 minutes, and I love the way it tasted anyways. So we came back inside to do some veggie kabobs, and you can just use whatever veggies you want. We had red and green bell peppers, some red onion, and zucchini, and all we did was put them on some skewers and grill them outside. So this part is just, it's whatever you want. We're just making this a nice low carb meal, and yeah, that's basically what this easy part is, and it's fun and it looks pretty. Once again, I just sprinkled some avocado oil on there, and I put Mrs. Dash. I am loving this Mrs. Dash though. It's really great flavor with no salt. My blood pressure has been a whole lot better since I started using it.
That looks good.
Okay, so I wanted to show you what we did wrong. As you can see, the fish is getting stuck to the foil, and we didn't put enough of the non-stick spray, so it's gonna mess up if we try to lift it and try to do it this way. So I just thought if I put another foil on top and then just flip it that way, it'd be easier.
Oh yeah.
So that's what my husband is about to do. Be careful because it is really, really hot. Yeah, this is a mistake we will not be doing again, but it worked out. He was able to just tuck in the edges and do a real quick flip and cook the other side for another 9 to 10 minutes. And if you have any pointers for me on doing this, I would love to hear it. Just comment down below so that I can learn how to do it better as well. Oh, and at this time we also were flipping the kabobs onto the oven. Okay, so I have the oven at 440. It is ready, and I'm going to use some red potatoes. You can use sweet potatoes, whatever potatoes it is that you want to use at this time. I just have so many leftover red potatoes. So, and I also did some asparagus. I didn't get to show, but I did some carrots. I did 2 carrots and split them in half, and also oven roasted them as well. So I'm just going to lay everything out as evenly as possible so nothing is on top of each other, and I'm going to drizzle some avocado oil on it, and then just put some Mrs. Dash. And on the asparagus I also sprinkle some lemon pepper. I topped the potatoes off with rosemary after putting the vegetable Mrs. Dash on there. And I'm not adding any type of salt to neither one of these, not even sea salt or Himalayan salt. I just decided not to. Like I said, ever since I've been doing this and trying to put as less salt as possible, my blood pressures have been a lot better, and I am not waking up with swollen hands or just, you know, just swollen in general, puffy legs or anything. So that has been a huge improvement in just a week. I've been doing it for a week, and I'm noticing so much improvement, and also upping my water intake. So after I finish topping the potatoes off with rosemary, I'm going to put them in the oven. I do it for 15 minutes, and then I take the asparagus out, then I put the carrots in, and then I put it back in the oven for another about 20-25 minutes. So the asparagus was in there for 15 minutes and the potatoes were in there for about 40 minutes. Meanwhile, back at the grill, the salmon is ready. It has been 10 minutes, so he's just going to transfer that on to something that's not going to burn him. And we're going to put some other stuff that we had wanting to cook. We have some corn that's been in some ice water for an hour, and we're gonna just start cooking some other things on the grill. But this is ready, and guys, when we opened it, it smelled so amazing. We are going to be cooking salmon like this for many days, many times to come. You can see that the foil did get stuck to the fish a bit, but it didn't even ruin it at all. We just took it off very slowly, and it did a really good job of not tearing it up and just ruining it. So yeah, next time for sure, definitely some more oil on there. But yeah, it did not ruin it, and it gave such a great, this fish tastes so good. I don't know, I'm just excited about it because I've always wanted to try it, and I'm so glad that we finally did. But yeah, definitely learned so much. Like I said, if you have any pointers for your girl, let me know. I just want to get better in cooking. I'm not here to act like I know how to do everything. This is my first time making so many of the meals that I do make. I just want to be a healthier me while enjoying the taste as I go on this new health journey. So anytime you can help me with some advice or some recipes or anything, I am all open to it. I am all for it. I just want to continue learning as much as I can from watching other people and listening to others who have done this as well. Just to, oh yeah.
Yeah, piece came off over here.
Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Okay. No, don't cut it up. All right, let me get this prepared, and we are still waiting for the veggies. How are the kebabs? Did you turn them? Okay. Alrighty. So more non-stick on the foil next time. Oh my gosh, you guys, we are a mess. There has got to be an easier way to do things than when we were doing it, but it still worked out. It came off, it didn't fall apart, and we enjoyed the presentation of it all. So I'm so sad because I thought it was recording when I was decorating it and I was having a conversation. It wasn't even recording for I don't even know what reason, and I think I overly decorated it, to be honest with you. But I mean, it is what it is. That's what I did at the moment. I had no idea what to do, but that's what I chose. I just feel it's a little heavy on the decoration. It looked pretty to us, but when I was taking a picture, I was like, there's a lot going on here. But I mean, it's delicious. It looks beautiful. It smelled amazing. So I'm really happy at this point. Just hoping my presentation skills get better as time goes, because this is not it. We've got asparagus. I ended up adding carrots to there. I got the kebabs, asparagus, the red potatoes, some lemon wedges, and this looks so delicious. Smells really good. I can't wait to dig in. Who wants to try it? Just grab some forks or spoons. Dig in. Helen couldn't wait. I did not put any salt on your asparagus, Helen, so I am sorry about that. I didn't squeeze no lemon on the very end like I usually do. Does it taste different than the frozen salmon? No.
I mean, it tastes good. It's got that barbecue flavor because it's like in the grill.
Right.
It tastes good.
That's good.
It's good.
Cool. Alrighty guys, I'm always missing rice. I'm always like, I need to make some quinoa or jasmine rice, some yellow jasmine rice, and I get caught up on everything else. I literally forget to the very end. So next time we definitely need to add some rice. I think that would go really, really good here. You can add some spinach to make it even more heart healthy, some avocado, like a little fish salad, huh? With a bunch of veggies. That would be really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm trying to do a lot of heart healthy meals, and I'll have a lot more coming up. So don't forget to smash that like button, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. That would mean so much to me, and it'll really help your girl out. So until next time, I will see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed one.
Bye.
Okay, I haven't even gotten to eat, neither has my other daughter. This is Eugene and Helen. I just wanted, this is like not even 2 minutes after the video that I just recorded. This is really good, you guys.